Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to put your video overlay in a circle just like this, with a color stroke that you can easily drag and place anywhere on your screen using Capcut desktop. Alright, let's get started. We already have our video on our timeline. This is the screen recording and this is a talking head of me talking about the video I just recorded. Drag the talking head on top of the screen record like an overlay. Highlight the talking head video, move to your right hand side and adjust the scale to 80%. You can obviously see the screen recording in the background and the overlay on top of it. Now look to your right, click on marks and select circle. Place your cursor on the dots and enlarge the circle. Please ensure you don't enlarge the circle from the side because you would ruin the circle. Use your cursor to adjust the video in the circle to make it more centered. Click on basic to enable you move it around on the screen, just like that. To add the stroke around it, click on text, drag the text bar and align it to the length of the video. Delete default text and insert capital letter O. You can change the style of the font. Always select a font that is thin and not crooked, or better still, just go for the system font. Don't worry, I'll make it look better, you see. Adjust the letter O to the middle and enlarge to cover the edge of the talking head overlay. Notice how the entire video is enclosed. This is the interesting part, just pay attention. Simply drag the talking head video on the timeline above the text and adjust it on the screen to fit. Perfect. We can go beast mode by changing the color of the stroke. Go for color and pick any color of your choice. You can go for red, but I prefer this bright yellow. Now to complete this masterpiece, you can highlight the talking head video and the text to make it a compact clip. By the way, I can teach you how to make a compact clip independently like this one. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can move it around, but let's just place it at the right bottom corner. And just like that, we're done. As always, it's been an absolute pleasure being of help to you guys. Like, share and comment if you find this content very useful to you. Finally, my name is Christian Ikena and I'll see you guys in the next video.